Learn to move. Easy tips for babies and toddlers from children's physiotherapists. This video will show you how to help all babies to learn how to roll. Babies typically start rolling from 4 to 6 months of age. Practice tummy time. Tummy time will help your baby get stronger for rolling. Rolling from tummy to back. Initially, your baby may roll from tummy to back. This may happen accidentally at first. Playing with feet helps baby roll to side. Encourage your baby to play with feet and roll onto their side. Roll from back to tummy. Encourage your baby to roll from lying on back onto tummy. To begin with, your baby's arm may get stuck. You can help release it, but with practice, they will be able to do this themselves. Helping the movement. You can also help the movement. Independent rolling. Over time, your baby will be able to do this by themselves. So let's summarize. Encourage tummy time to help build strength for rolling. Remember, always do tummy time when your baby's awake and supervised. Encourage playing with feet from 4 months. Use toys to motivate your baby to roll.